Hello everyone, let's understand this question. The far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? So in this question we need to find two things, that is nature and power. So the person is myopic person. Let's draw an eye. So this is the diagram of an eye. I have convex lens, right? So this eye is myopic eye. So here is retina. So for myopic person, if two rays are coming from infinity, let's take two rays. After converging, the image is formed before the retina. So here eye is the image. So here you can see the image is not formed on the retina. It formed before the retina. So this is the defect of myopic eye. So to correct this, we need a concave lens before the convex lens of eye. So for concave lens, when two rays are coming, it diverges. So two rays, after diverging from concave lens, it forms the image on retina. Here eye is the retina. So image is formed on the retina. So if we take these two rays on backwards, we get the distance of this image formed. So here this distance represents the image. And according to the question, the image distance is given as 80 centimeter. Since according to the sign convention, the image is formed on the left side, so we take it as negative sign. And here the object is at infinity because rays are coming from infinite. So it is infinite distance, and also it from sign convention it will be in negative sign. Now according to the question, we need to find the power. So we have the relation of power and focal length, right? So first we find the focal length. So now let's write some given values. So the given values for this question is have object distance is given as u is equals to minus infinity, and the image distance is given in the question as v is equals to minus 80 centimeter. Now using the lens formula, we know the lens formula 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Here f is the focal length, right? Now substituting the values, we get 1 upon f is equals to v is minus 80 minus 1 upon u is given as minus infinite. So 1 upon infinite becomes 0. So we get 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon minus 80. So here we get focal length is equals to minus 80 and the unit is given in centimeter. So if we convert the unit centimeter to meter, we can write minus 0.8 meter. Why we convert this? Because for power we need in meters. Now let's write the power formula, which is given as P is equals to 1 upon focal length, which is F. F focal length must be in meters. That's why we already change it. Now substituting the values, we get 1 upon F is given as we already find out f is minus 0.8. This is power. After solving this, we get 1.25 diopter. So this value must be negative. So we already find out the power value. Now let's write the two things. So first we need to find the nature. So finally we get the nature of the lens is, here which lens we use is concave lens, right? So nature will be concave lens. And the second is power. So the power of the lens is, we find out P is equals to minus 1.25 diopter. This is the power. So these are the two answers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos.